Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I spent a day in Bhaifota. So let's get started. This year Bhaifota was organized by my Boro Mashi. We are going towards Boro Mashir Bari by Toto. Bhaifota is actually a Bengali custom by which siblings maintain their unbreakable bonds throughout their life. Due to some personal reason, me and my family recently cannot give any Bhaifota in this year. We only came to enjoy and maintain this togetherness. As you can see here that the Bhaifota rituals has begun. One by one my all cousins and my aunts giving Bhaifota here. After completing all the rituals, we came back to have our breakfast because we cannot have any breakfast today. This is my most favorite part of this day, to unpackaging all gifts and see this most beautiful shari than others. As you can see here, everyone is busy on their phone. Then it was lunch time. We all sit down to eat. This is the only day in whole year that we all cousins sit down and eat together. The day was very beautiful and the atmosphere is so sweet all around. After talking and gossiping for a while, towards evening, my cousins went for home. Every year we all wait for this day. And this year the day was come and gone. It's very painful for us. So guys, the vlog is end today. So if you like any part in this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Support me. Love you all. Bye.